Grace Kitchens presents Creative Cooking. In this series, we showcase the talents of some of our favorite chefs as they demonstrate how to prepare some of their favorite dishes. And now, here is today's host.
Hi there. Some of the top professionals in the hospitality industry have been trained here at the Runaway H.E.A.R.T Hotel and the Training Institute. That's where we are today on Creative Cooking. Welcome to the show. With me is Chef Richard Mason and Kevin Scott. Gentlemen, welcome to Creative Cooking.
Thank you for having us.
Chef Mason, I'll start with you. Tell us about the food and beverage opportunities offered here at Runaway H.E.A.R.T.
Well, for the food and beverage aspect of the operation, when you get in, you have to first do a competence-based math and English exam. Once you're accepted, you're basically trained as a cook to work in a hotel. There's a joint collaboration with the Runaway H.E.A.R.T Academy and the Culinary Institute of America, which is in New York. So level 3 is basically a certified executive chef. Level 2, certified chef de cuisine. And then the first level is certified culinarian. So the entire program takes about 4 years to be certified as an executive chef. We try to compete with the rest of the world, so we make sure that Jamaicans can be certified and be ranked among the great chefs in the world.
And you know, whatever we do well, we do
Yes.
very well. Okay, Kevin, what are you preparing for us today?
Well, today I'll be preparing a chicken rundown with a Cornmeal Pumpkin Fritters. Well, today I'll be making for you chicken rundown and a Cornmeal Pumpkin Fritters. Well, I will go ahead by adding the dry ingredients, which is the flour, just a bit of flour, some cornmeal, not too much, and the main ingredients, the pumpkin. And now we'll season with some garlic, thyme, a little sweet pepper, and surely some onions, finely chopped onions. Now we will add some Scotch bonnet pepper for taste. And now some liquid water for the mixture. You don't want to put too much to get it too soggy now. We're mixing that. You will need just about 0.5 per cup of oil in the pot. Not too much because we don't want the fritters to absorb the oil. Yes, now you just take a spoonful. Take your time, don't let oil splash, and place it in the pot. This is a wonderful dish, served for a breakfast or even an evening time snack. Wonderful dish. Okay, while that is frying, we turn down it, reduce the heat. I will start on the chicken rundown. Now we put the chicken to sear. Just need a small amount of oil. Just add salt, little garlic, little pepper, season it, well seasoned. We don't want this to brown too much now. We'll move right on to the sauce for the chicken, rundown for the chicken. Start by sauteing some onion, some garlic, some Scotch bonnet pepper, and some scallion. We'll put those to sweat. Don't want them too brown because the rundown sauce is supposed to be a white sauce. Check the chickens. As you can see, they are white, pretty. Nice texture. They will add some white wine. Reduce that. Just want a medium cook from this chicken. Don't want to overcook it because it will do carryover cooking in the sauce. As soon as the wine is reduced in this, we add some coconut cream. We will now take out these chicken breasts. We will look for some medium cubes cut from these to place back in the sauce. These cuts are for just presentations. Fritters have got this golden color. Now we'll leave that to simmer. for at least 3 minutes. We will now put our veggies to sauteed. Add some little herbs to it. Dash of white pepper and saute. We can put these fritters on the paper towel to absorb the oil. And right here we got the chicken. You add some heavy cream to it. Always remember to add the heavy cream at the last point of the cooking process. You want it to curdle now. A little white pepper for taste, a basil leaf, a dash of salt. Leave it to reduce. So I'll be presenting in this lovely red plate.
Hi, Kevin.
Hello.
No, Kevin, this was well
Just for
done.
garnish. Look at
Oh,
this.
you're going
Look
to
at
garnish
this.
with
Look at
that
that.
scallion curd.
Oh,
Oh,
that's
look
good.
at that. Isn't this just delightful?
That's it.
Kevin, thank you so much for sharing this delightful idea with us.
You're welcome.
And I look forward to having you again.
And thanks.
good luck as you continue to study and
Okay.
work hard. Welcome back. In the mailbox, we're going to show you how plating and presentation can make mealtime more interesting. Chef Mason is back with us. Chef, welcome back.
Thank you for having me.
Over to you.
Well, today we're gonna be, I'm gonna show you how to plate two basic food items. So first we start with our breakfast item. And this is some scrambled eggs we have here. So you just pat that down a little bit. Then we have our breadfruit. Put that around the side, and also have some julienne, some diced tomatoes here for garnish. And I have a little piece of thyme sprig that was put in ice water.
And that's breakfast.
And that is breakfast.
Okay.
And now for your lunch item, we're gonna be serving pan-seared salmon. And the pan-seared salmon is served with, you can have it with rice, you can have it with potatoes, but today we'll be using some rice. Here we go. And this is your jackfruit salsa. And this is just a nice sauce that goes on well, has a lot of flavor to
And
it.
it smells really good too.
And even though you're at home, whenever you're serving seafood, remember to have your lime and lemon.
That's a
Or
must.
lemon on your plate. I have some peppers, cucumbers that was julienne real fine, put in ice water over time. And this is a very interesting idea. What I did was use a rosemary tea bag along with some oil. So it's an infused oil. So instead of having a dressing, and I'm gonna put a little piece of plantain on. And there we have it.
And of course, you eat with your eyes. Chef, thank you so much
Was a
for
pleasure.
sharing. And we look forward to coming again.
Thank you.
That's our show for today. Remember, today's and other recipes are available from Grace Kitchens. Write, call, fax, or email us. We'd love to share them with you. Till next time, thanks for watching.
This is Chef Season on Creative Cooking, and we hope you enjoyed today's show. Join us every Monday morning at 7:35 as we showcase the talents of some of our favorite chefs, demonstrating some of their favorite dishes here on Smile Jamaica, It's Morning Time. Chef Season continues next Monday morning on Creative Cooking, 7:35 on TVJ, and with a repeat at 2:50 p.m. every Sunday afternoon. Don't miss it.